Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's and
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my emergency kit for back to school. These are your must-have items that you need in case of an emergency. These are items that you usually wouldn't think to bring to school. Like, you're usually thinking like, oh, I'm just gonna bring some supplies to school, like pens, pencils, and stuff, but you actually have emergency items that you need to bring to school as well. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware when I post a new video, and let's just get straight into it because these are definitely some must-haves for emergencies. So first item we're going to is hand sanitizer. You definitely need hand sanitizer at school. There's so many people around you, which means there's so many different germs going on. You're touching so many things that other people have touched. So hand sanitizer is definitely a must, especially like before like lunchtime when you're about to eat. Definitely need to clean off your hands. Definitely need to clean it like just a few times throughout the day. So I have this handy one. This is from Bath and Body Works. It just says unicorns are my spirit animal. And then I have this cute little holder so you can wrap it around your backpack. I see people do that all the time. And it's a perfect little staple, and it's handy because keep your hands clean because it's a must. So yeah, hand sanitizer is my first essential for an emergency. My next item is definitely going to be perfume. Sometimes I'll leave out of the house and I'll forget to put on perfume or some body spray. And you definitely want to smell good when you go to school. So if you do forget, you know it's already in your backpack. So this one is a scent from Pink and it's warm and cozy. This is such a bomb scent. It basically smells like so warm and sweet. It's one of my favorite scents from them. If you haven't already smelled this scent, go to their store and just smell it. You're gonna fall in love probably. So yeah, I have the warm and cozy scent, and most of these essentials I do keep them in a makeup bag, so I already know that's the emergency kit bag. I know, get out the backpack and it has everything I need in it already. So definitely some perfume in case you forget to spray. Also keep some deodorant in your backpack if you forgot to put deodorant on. I don't have one here with me to show you guys, but keep deodorant in your backpack just in case. But do not put deodorant on over funk. That is not okay. You're not gonna put deodorant over some sweaty pits because it's just gonna be a mixture of funk and musk, and that's not cool. So yeah, just put it on if you're already clean, but keep it in your backpack just in case you forget to put it on. So my next one is gonna be Carmex. I hate when you're at school and your lips get dry. That is the worst. Like, you're just there like licking your lips and you're like, my lips are dry. So I have Carmex. I keep it on handy. This is just their classic lip balm, so I just keep it in my backpack. Gotta put your Carmex on. Gotta keep your lips looking good and smooth. You don't want to be that kid at school with chapped, crusty lips and people are talking to you and they're like, your lips is dry. So don't do that to yourself. Have some lip balm on hand so you're not suffering with dry lips. So my next thing is gonna be lotion. There's always that person in class asking, does somebody have some lotion? You don't want to be the ashy kid in the classroom. So I have lotion. That's definitely a must. I would rush out of the house in the morning time, and most of the time I wouldn't put on lotion. So right before I'm about to get out of the car, I would quickly put on some lotion so people didn't have to see me walking around ashy. Because I'm that person. I won't do it right at home. I'll usually do it right before I'm about to get out of the car to get to the place that I'm at. So yeah, I just have this one. It's the Warm Vanilla Sugar from Bath and Body Works 24-Hour Moisture Ultra Shea Body Cream. This one smells so good. If you guys haven't noticed already, I love warm, sweet scents. So yeah, this is the one I have. It smells amazing, and since it's the body cream, it keeps you more moisturized all day so you don't keep getting ashy. So next, I'm going to say for the ladies out there, you're definitely going to need some pads or some tampons. Sometimes our period will just start and we aren't already prepared for it. And if you aren't, you don't want to be asking your friend, do you have a pad? Do you have a tampon? It's common. It happens a lot in high school. I remember those days our friend would be like, do you have a pad? Do you have a tampon? Just have them already in your backpack in case of an emergency, because sometimes you might need to change your pad if you're already on it, or you need one just because it just started and you're at school and you're freaking out and panicking like, oh my god, it just started. Like, I remembered it happening to me. So keep it in your backpack so that you're good. And then going along with that, sometimes it will start and destroy your underwear. So have an extra pair of underwear in your backpack so you can change and you'll be good. But I don't know about keeping extra pair of jeans and stuff in your backpack. That might be too much to lug around. Like, this is just a small amount of stuff. Usually if you fill it right away, you can catch it and then quickly change your underwear and stuff like that. It won't destroy the rest of your clothing, but keep underwear and pads in there for sure. Also, along with that, we know comes cramps, so Advil, Tylenol, whatever you want. I grabbed the wrong bottle to show you guys for this video, but just imagine that this is Tylenol. I definitely always kept that in my backpack for school, because I remember high school days, the cramps were so bad, and I would just be sitting in class in torture, just waiting for it to end, wanting to cry so bad because I didn't have any Tylenol, any Advil, nothing with me at school. So keep it in your backpack. My next essential is going to be a water bottle filled with water. Of course, it's not filled right now, but I usually keep water filled in here. Definitely keep you a water bottle. Stay hydrated at school. I usually do not like to drink from the water fountain. It usually tastes nasty and I don't like that. So I always kept a good like 16-ounce water bottle handy. Kept it on the side pocket of my backpack, so you know, like the little side. Keep it right in there so I can just quickly get it out, sip it while I'm walking to my next class. It just saves you a lot of trouble. Then you don't have to go to the vending machine and spend extra money on having to buy water, because you already have a bottle of water with you, so you're good to go. My next thing is definitely going to be like some wipes. These are flushable moist wipes, but I used to get the ones from Summer's Eve. They were just like feminine wipes, so you can clean yourself up, especially if you're on your period or if you're coming from after PE, any workout classes that you might have. You want to freshen up, so it's good to keep some wipes in your backpack so you can just clean yourself up down there so you're not smelly or anything like that throughout the day, and you'll feel more fresh. So definitely have some wipes, and these are good because they are flushable, so you don't have to worry about them clogging up a toilet or anything like that. And yeah, they're just super duper handy. I picked these ones up at the 99-cent store, but if you are interested in the Target ones I used to get, the Summer's Eve, I got them from Target. So I said that so backwards, but you guys get the point. And the last thing I always kept in my backpack is snacks. I get hungry when I'm in classes. If you're in high school, usually you cannot eat in the classroom. If you're in college, it's fine to eat in the classroom. So I would always keep like some sort of snack with me. Also, if you're in high school, you can of course eat between classes. You can eat on your break, lunch. But have a snack. It's very helpful if you can't wait until lunchtime or something like that. So I always had a snack. Right now, I just have these saltine crackers. Super filling for me personally. I love to eat these saltine crackers because I find that I just feel much fuller and I'm not starving, and I feel like it's a better alternative instead of like chips or candy on snack time. I didn't really like to eat those things. It was kind of on the unhealthy side, and then it wasn't filling for me. So I always like to keep crackers or like cashews, nuts, granola bars. Those are my favorite. And I remember I had like Rice Krispies at one point, but right now it's definitely been crackers and cashews as my go-to for snacks. So yeah, definitely these are my favorite things in the world, and I always get the unsalted ones. So yeah guys, those are basically all of my essentials that are for an emergency. If I missed any and you guys have little different emergency essentials that you guys usually carry in your backpack, comment those down below. I would love to hear what you guys usually take to school, and plus it will help other people out that are watching this video and looking at the comments so that they know and that they're prepared for when they go back to school as well. So without further ado, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding?